Hi, welcome to Land of Chemistry, a simple steps to organic chemistry. In this video, we are going to learn the IUPAC nomenclature of ketones. Come on, let's get into the video. Don't skip the video. Kindly watch the entire video to get the clear idea about the IUPAC nomenclature of ketones. Ketones. The functional group of ketones, that is the functional group of ketones, single bond C, double bond O, C. This is the functional group of ketone. And the general IUPAC name, the general IUPAC naming is alkane plus one. Okay, here we need to erase this E. So we get alkanone. The ketone is named as alkanone. That is, the suffix in the IUPAC name will be, the suffix in the IUPAC name will be ONE, on. For example, propanone. Come on, let's learn some more examples for ketone. CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Then CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH3. CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH2, CH3. CH3, CH, CH3, C double bond O, CH3. CH3, C double bond O, CH2, single bond CH2, single bond CH3. First, let's give the common name for all these compounds. The common name of this compound is acetone, or else dimethyl ketone. Here in the left side there is a methyl and in right side there is a methyl group. So two methyls are there. So dimethyl. The functional group present here is a ketone. So dimethyl ketone is the common name of acetone. Now the second one, here methyl, here ethyl. So in alphabet E comes before M. So ethyl is named first in the common name. Ethyl, methyl, this is ethyl and this is methyl. So ethyl methyl ketone. And the next one, this is ethyl and this is ethyl. Two ethyl groups are there. So diethyl, as the functional group is CO, that is ketone, we need to write ketone. So the name is diethyl ketone. Here, this is methyl group and this is propyl. Three carbons are there. One, two, three. So propyl, it is branched. A single branch is there. So isopropyl. So the name of this compound is methyl isopropyl ketone. Now the fifth one, this is methyl and this is n-propyl. The three carbons are present in the straight chain. So this is methyl and this is n-propyl. So the name of this compound is methyl n-propyl ketone. Come on, let's give the IUPAC name for these compounds now. Here, three carbons are there. 1, 2 and 3. So propane. Propane, as there is ketone in the compound, we need to take this E. Okay, we need to take this E and we need to write on. That is, the name of this compound is propanone. The IUPAC name of acetone is propanone. Come on, let's give the name for the second structure. Let's count the carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons are there. So butane. Here the functional group is present in the second carbon. So butane. 2. The ketone is the functional group. So the suffix is on. Butane 2-one is the IUPAC name of ethyl methyl ketone. Now, let's give the IUPAC name for diethyl ketone. First, number the carbon atoms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally 5 carbons are there in a straight chain. So, pentane, the functional group CO is in the third carbon. So, pentane 3. If CO, that is ketone, is the functional group, the suffix is -one. Pentane 3-one is the IUPAC name of dimethyl ketone. And this one, this is first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, and fourth carbon. To the third carbon, methyl group is attached. So, first write 3 methyl. In the straight chain, 4 carbons are there. So, butane. Second carbon is a functional group. So, 2. The functional group present here is ketone. So, butane 2-one is the IUPAC name of methyl isopropyl ketone. Come on, let's give the IUPAC name of the last structure, which is known as methyl n-propyl ketone. First, give the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so pentane. Pentane. Here, the second carbon is a functional group. So, pentane 2-one is the IUPAC name of methyl n-propyl ketone. Come on, let's learn some more compounds. Next, CH3, CH, CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH3. CH3, CH, CH3, C double bond O, CH, CH3, CH3. The another one is CH3, C, here one more CH3, double bond, CH, single bond, C, double bond O, CH3. Come on, let's give the common name for these compounds now. Here, what is this? This is ethyl, and here 3 carbons are there. So propyl, it is branched. Single branch is there. So isopropyl. So the common name of this compound is ethyl isopropyl ketone. Ethyl isopropyl ketone. Okay, this one here one isopropyl and this is one isopropyl. So diisopropyl. Diisopropyl. Here ketone is there. So ketone. So the name of the common name of the second one is diisopropyl ketone. The third one. This takes a special name which is known as methyl oxide. Come on, let's give the IUPAC now. Come on, let's give the IUPAC name for these compounds now. Here, count the carbon atoms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the second carbon, there is a methyl. So, 2 methyl. Totally 5 carbons are there. So, pentane. Here, the third carbon is a functional group. So, 3. If the ketone is functional group, the suffix should be -one. So, the IUPAC name of this compound is 2-methyl pentane 3-one. Come on, let's give the IUPAC name for the second compound. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons are the longest chain. Here to the second carbon, one methyl is attached. To the fourth carbon, one more methyl is attached. So 2, 4 dimethyl. 5 carbons are there in a straight chain. So pentane. To the third carbon, the functional group ketone is there. So 3-one. The IUPAC name of diisopropyl ketone is 2, 4 dimethyl pentane 3-one. Come on, let's give the IUPAC name for the last compound, that is methyl oxide. Count the carbon atoms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because the functional group should carry the least count. So we are counting from right to left. Okay. Here to the fourth carbon, methyl is attached. So 4 methyl. In the longest chain is 5 carbon. Here to the third carbon, double bond is present. So 5 carbons are there. So pent. To the third carbon, double bond is there. So 3 in. To the second carbon, the functional group ketone is present. So 2 on. Finally, the IUPAC name of mesitile oxide is 4-methyl pent 3 in 2 on. Come on, let's learn some more compounds. The next one is C6H5 C double bond O single bond CH3. C6H5 C double bond O CH2 CH3. C6H5 C double bond O CH2 CH2 CH3. Come on, let's give the common name for these compounds now. Here, CH3, this is known as methyl, and C6H5 is known as phenyl, and this CO group is ketone. So, methyl phenyl ketone is the common name for the first compound, and the second one here, CH3, CH2, this is known as ethyl, and this is known as phenyl, and this is ketone. So, ethyl phenyl ketone is the common name for the second one. Then the third one. Here, this is n-propyl and this is phenyl. So, n-propyl phenyl ketone is the common name for the third one. Come on, let's give the IUPAC name for these compounds now. Here, this is aceto CH3. Here the CH3 is named as aceto and this is named as phenone. So the IUPAC name of methyl phenyl ketone is acetophenone. The second one, that is ethyl phenyl ketone. Count the carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3. 3 carbons are there. To the first carbon, here phenyl is attached. So 1 phenyl. 3 carbons are there. So propan. The first carbon carries the functional group that is ketone. So 1 one will be the suffix. So the IUPAC name of ethyl phenyl ketone is 1-phenyl propan 1-one. Come on, let's give the IUPAC name for n-propyl phenyl ketone. Here, this is the first carbon, 1, 2, 3, and this is the last carbon, fourth carbon. To the first carbon, phenyl group is attached, that is C6H5. So 1-phenyl. 4 carbons are there in a straight chain. So butane. To the first carbon, that is ketone is present. So 1, the suffix will be one. 1-phenyl butane 1-one is the IUPAC name of n-propyl phenyl ketone. Come on, let's learn some more compounds. The next one is C6H5 CH2 C double bond O CH2 CH3. C6H5 C double bond O C6H5. And the third one is CCl3 C double bond O CH3. This is a substituted ketone. Okay. Come on, let's give the common name for these compounds now. Here, this is ethyl and this is benzyl. This is benzyl. This is ethyl. So, the name of this compound is ethyl benzyl ketone. That is the common name of the first one is ethyl benzyl ketone. Here, this is phenyl and this is phenyl. 2 phenyl groups are attached. So, diphenyl ketone. The third one, if here 3 hydrogens are present in this sense, it is known as acetone. Instead of this 3 hydrogen, 3 chlorines are attached. So, it is known as trichloroacetone. Here, the 3 hydrogens in the acetone are replaced by 3 chlorine atoms. So, it is known as trichloroacetone. Come on, let's give the IUPAC name for these compounds now. Here, count the carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the first carbon, phenyl group is attached. So 1 phenyl, butane. The functional group ketone is present in the second carbon. So 2 one. So the IUPAC name of ethyl benzyl ketone is 1-phenyl butane 2-one. Come on, let's give the IUPAC name of diphenyl ketone. This is benzophenone. Benzophenone is the IUPAC name of diphenyl ketone. And here, the third one, that is trichloroacetone. First carbon, second carbon, third carbon. To the first carbon, 3 chlorines are attached. So 1, 1, 1, trichloro, 3 carbons are present. So propanone. So the IUPAC name of trichloroacetone is 1, 1, 1, trichloropropane. Let's learn some more ketones in the part 2 video. Thank you. Keep on watching.